isn't just a skin problem. It's a cellular energy crisis, happening because you're soft on your nutrition. Deep inside your tissue, your mitochondria, the microscopic engines of your youth and performance, are shutting down. When these vital engines decay, your body degrades, period. This is a fundamental truth. You want to stop this rot? You must forcefully re-engineer the system at a cellular level. Step 1. Kill the weakness in your diet. Eliminate toxic processed seed oils that dissolve your health. Aggressively deploy high-purity omega-3s and medium-chain triglycerides. This structurally reinforces your cellular walls. Step 2. Shock your biology. Force mitochondrial biogenesis. Ignite your internal power. Consuming raw, heavily pigmented polyphenol compounds triggers an internal survival state. It forces your cells to trash damaged engines and build brand new, weaponized ones from scratch. Fix the internal engine or accept the decay. The choice is yours. The consequences are clear. Stop making excuses and optimize your biological longevity right now. Take control of your future.